In this video, guys, I want to talk about something you can do to get your air conditioning working better than it would normally. And this is especially true of a really old car, like 10 years and older. So as you guys know, all cars with air conditioning systems have a condenser, and the condenser is designed usually to be in front of the radiator. And the problem is that as the car ages, you have two problems. Number one, the fins on your condenser get bent. And number two, the condenser gets dirty. So I have a picture for you guys of my Honda Element condenser. And as you can see, the fins are pretty badly bent in certain areas on the condenser. And unfortunately, just the way Honda designed it, it's almost impossible to try to straighten out those fins with like a fin straightening tool. And as a result, probably I've lost 20% or so of the efficiency of the air conditioning system, or to look at it another way, 20% of the cooling capacity of the air conditioning system. But one thing I can do, and one thing I do, is I take, maybe like once a year, I just take some Simple Green, and I take some, like a diluted Simple Green. This is the HDX in half concentrate. And what I do is I basically just, in the picture you can see me spraying down the condenser. And what I do is I take the Simple Green and I spray all over the place and let it dwell, let it sit for maybe 15 minutes or so, and just let some of the crud start to break up. And then I take my more diluted concentrate version and I just spray that all in there as well, and I just kind of let that clean out some of that gunk and just dust and debris and anything else that's kind of adhered to the condenser itself. And what you find, guys, what you get is you get some significant improvements in cooling. I think it's going to be different for each vehicle, depending on how dirty your condenser is. But certainly, if you could do one step further, which is to actually get one of those fin straightening tools and straighten your fins, and then do some cleaning on your condenser, I guarantee you guys are going to notice a significant improvement in your AC system. And so I wanted just to make you guys aware of this, that you can easily improve your AC efficiency by just cleaning the condenser once a year and also getting out any bugs or gnats or bees or anything that's stuck to your condenser. I always take a screwdriver and just knock any of those things away. Now, some of you may say, well, Tom, why don't you just take a high pressure hose or power washer and really spray down the condenser fins really good? My problem is I'm just not really into spraying or high pressure water spraying into the engine compartment. I just feel like a lot of vehicles now are real old. They have wiring harnesses that are just naturally cracked because of the years. And so I'm just not a big fan of spraying a lot of high pressure water inside the engine compartment. If you want to do that and take that gamble, that's up to you. But that's why I just gently almost my rinse cycle is just taking like this HDX and just gently spraying it on there and letting kind of anything that's kind of gunky just kind of go down and fall down the face of the condenser. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.